My name is Mark, I'm with funhog.me. I'm going to show you how to assemble a Runcam Thumb in a naked case via our open source CAD. You can find out more at funhog.me. First, let's go over all the parts that you're going to need. A pair of plates, one for the front, one for the back, then 4 pieces M3x8 aluminum spacer, 4 pieces M3x16 metal panhead bolt, 4 pieces M3x8 nylon hex standoffs, 8 pieces M2x4 brass knurled nuts, 4 pieces M2x12 button head bolts, 4 pieces M2 aluminum nylon lock nuts, and 4 pieces of M2x1 nylon nut, or anything that is that works with M2 hardware, just to create a 1mm washer. Okay, let's get into it. First, we need to identify what the front part is. We have a decased Runcam Thumb right here. The front plate is this one. The top has the bumps on it, as you can see, and it would go like this on the unit. So then what we do is we take an M3x12 button head and we're going to want to put it in like that. And put 4 of those in with a nut or spacer and then a knurled brass nut. There's the nylon spacer going on, and here is a brass knurled nut, as such. Okay, do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. With all 4 of those installed and tightened, we can place the camera in there. So it goes like this. All right, and you'll want to put this end through first, and then with a little bit of finessing, it will fit in there like that. Okay. Now what we do is we're going to add 4 brass knurled nuts. And we use these because they don't bump into other hardware pieces. So let's get all 4 of those on. There we have it. We have the knurled brass nuts installed. Next, we're going to put on the back plate and just loosely tighten it up. So we're going to orientate this a little bit better to kind of see what we're doing. And the back plate lines up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 are for the M2 hardware. It's important to note and underscore at this point that the case slides. All right. That sliding is what allows you to angle the camera. Let's put the M2 nylon lock nuts on, but only about finger tight. There you go. We have just the nylon lock nuts in there. You should be able to slide the back panel like that. Now we will put in the M3 hardware. I use these as the spacers, okay? These are 8mm. You can use any number of 8mm M3 compatible stuff, but these are best for 2 reasons. They're strong, being metal, and secondly, you don't have threads in them. You can push the bolt through. Here you go, take a look. Like that. Now once those are on, you go like this with a nylon. All right, we're gonna do that 4 more times. The part that we're using is the M3 panhead. That's 8mm spacer, or however it gets you there. And then this is an M3x8 nylon standoff hex nut, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna do that 3 more times now. There you have it. That is the complete and assembled version. Adjust your angle by sliding the back plate as you may choose, all the way down 0 degrees. I'm not sure what we get to, but kind of out of the box comes at 20, 25. You can always add more. Once you get it in the correct angle and leveled out correctly, go through and tighten everything off. The nylon lock nuts that you left loose. And then on the front side, the nylon nuts. And that is it. And in part 2, I will show you how I mount this to my drones.